The illustrious computer science degree, that tiny piece of paper that promises to open doors to the tech industry, or so they say. But does it hold all the answers? Is it the ultimate ticket to success in the ever-changing tech world? Or just a fancy way to say, I've spent 4 years learning how to think about thinking? Let's take a moment to reflect. So you step into the college, full with dreams of coding your way into the Silicon Valley glory. The first semester, it's all butterflies. You're probably breezing through intro courses thinking, I've got this. But soon enough you dive headfirst into the dark, mysterious world of data structures and algorithms, where binary trees rule and sorting algorithms will test your mental limits. Sure, these concepts are critical. They help you build those problem-solving skills. But as you grind through theoretical lectures on computability and complexity theory, a question starts to creep in. Will I ever use this in the wild? I mean, yes, it's nice to know the math behind a Turing machine, but do you need it when your future boss just wants you to build a web app? Let's be real, some of this stuff feels more like a mental gym workout than anything you'll use after graduation. You'll memorize a bunch of theories, nail the final, and probably forget them the moment you land your first job. The reality? These concepts are important, sure, but they barely scratch the surface of what you'll actually deal with in the real world. Fast forward to today's tech landscape, where things change faster than a toddler in a sugar high. New frameworks, languages, and tools are popping every week, while the traditional CS curriculum feels like it's stuck in 2008. And by the time you're learning programming languages from last decade, the industry has already moved on to a newer, flashier tech. It's like preparing for a marathon by learning how to ride a horse. The disconnect between academia and the real world has never been greater, and it leaves students asking, wait, did I just spend 4 years prepping for a job that doesn't exist anymore? Enter bootcamps, the crash course in tech that offers what a traditional degree sometimes lacks: speed, focus, and relevance. In just a few months, bootcamp teach you practical in-demand skills without the fluff of theoretical concepts you'll never need. You jump right into building real projects, learning the latest languages, frameworks, and tools, and by the end you are job ready. And bonus, you didn't spend 4 years memorizing proofs of concepts no one asked for. But maybe bootcamps aren't your jam, and that's okay, because there's another golden ticket: side projects. And side projects are how I got my first internship without any formal experience. They let you take what you learn and actually apply it to something that excites you. Whether it's building a personal website, an app, or contributing to an open source project, side projects show employers that you can walk the walk. Plus, they keep you sharp, relevant, and on top of the latest trends. After all, staying relevant in tech is all about adapting quickly, and nothing does that like building something you're passionate about. Now, I'm not here to totally trash the CS degree. It has its merits. You'll gain critical thinking skills, you'll learn how to solve problems, and make some awesome connections along the way. Plus, you'll get a thorough, well-rounded education, and that's important. But as tech evolves, you might find that a degree alone isn't enough, or even the best way to succeed. So, is a computer science degree worth it? Yes, if you want to immerse yourself in theory and enjoy that 4-year college life experience. But don't kid yourself, it's not the only path to success. Balance your degree with practical skills, hands-on experience, and side projects. Because here's the thing, no one's ever going to ask you to explain Turing machines in a job interview. They want to know if you can solve problems and bring fresh, innovative ideas to the table. And in the end, whether you go the traditional route or take the bootcamp express, the key is to keep coding, staying curious, and never stop learning. The tech world is so vast, constantly changing, and full of potential. So go out there, break some code, and maybe, just maybe, you'll build the next big thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.